Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Amara. I'm just a girl navigating pregnancy through IVF. And if you don't know, or if today is your first time coming across my channel, me and my husband, we are going to be first time parents. So today we are building furnitures. This is part of a nesting series vlog. I don't know. I just thought to record this just for memory, keepsakes, and all that. That's why I created this channel to document my journey, maybe inspire someone out there or something like that. But today we are building some furnitures. First, we got this Target bookshelf. We got it from it's a bookshelf. We got it from Target, and it's going to be like in the closet for baby clothes and all that. That's what I use for my own closet space, like just to maximize space. So I thought to get another one, and we'll assemble it together and use it for the baby also, which kind of, like, if you have a small space, that would do. Our closet is not really big, so we thought this would really do. I had to first put all the parts, like how they are labeled, ABCD, or something. I think it's ABCD that they labeled it alphabetically. So I had to put everything together first, so it's easy to be grabbing the pieces and put it together. So after I was done with this, I called the husband to come and screw them together. So it's a lot of work, like getting up, getting down, and all that. And of course, I forgot to charge the the what is it called? The drill, the power drill. I forgot to charge that. My husband made a laugh of it and like, yeah, Miss Carpenter, it's only when you want to walk that's when you remember to charge your equipment and all that. But anywho, we got that done. Then the next thing we did was the dresser. The dresser was a lot of work. It had so many parts in it, so many micro, mini, big parts in them. Like, ooh, I don't even want to get into it. Which somehow I'm glad that we got the three dresser instead of the six. Because I was like, how, if this was the six dresser, how would we have done this? But we finished that. It was a lot of work. It took us almost 2 hours to get the dresser all set up. Then we did also put together the recliner. Oh, that is the best thing. The recliner is so smooth. It glides, like it rocks back and forth. You can pull it up, you can go down like almost you're lying flat on it. That's one of the best thing that we have. We actually got that on ourselves during the Black Friday sale and all that. Well, those are the three things we are tackling tonight, and hopefully we got all three of them done. Just the dresser was the only thing that had the drawers. We didn't put the drawers in because we were both tired. We had to keep that until the next day. We still have other things to do, other boxes to open. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so, and help us grow as we continue to look forward to the day this baby is going to come join us on this side of the earth. Tonight was good. So we achieved this. We set up this is the, what is it called? The bookshelf. And I did put this here. So we'll just hang a few clothes. Then I'll get maybe boxes and put in here. Then the main dresser. This is the main dresser. It's from Stock Craft or something like that. We're able to finish it. The only thing remaining is to attach the drawers. Once we put the drawers, and it's all set. It does have the topper, the one we got, the changing pad. I also bought the changing pad, so we'll be just the changing mattress. I don't know which one it's called. We'll be putting it in here once we secure this one. Then we also set up the recliner, which is probably going to be my next favorite thing. Yeah, so the recliner is all set. It was a good night. Tonight was a good night. Like, we really put in so much work. So once we put the drawers into the dresser, we'll be moving it into the bedroom. Well, probably we'll move it into the bedroom and then put the drawers in. Then this one will be going into my closet, so I'll be sharing a closet space with the baby. Tomorrow we'll continue.